What's up, all you crazy box breaking, car collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 4 breaks for you tonight, but first 2 bad break drawings for last night's breaks, giving away 2 $10 promo codes. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first winner is Henry. Second drawing, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Joshua. Now we'll start off tonight with the eBay auction break of the 2015 Inception football. All right, good luck, everybody. Up first for the Giants, Eli Manning. Going to brought to you 310. Steelers, Big Ben. Going to Neon Racing 022. For the Raiders, Khalil Mack. 147 out of 150. Going to brought to you 310. For the Niners, Reggie Bush. 85 out of 125. Going to DMAD 1423. First hit going to the Bills, Carlos Williams on card rookie auto, 51 out of 99. Going to Styling Beauty 40. Rookie autograph, jumbo 2-color patch for the Packers, Brett Hundley, 9 out of 75. Going to DMAD 1423. And for the Cardinals, rookie patch, David Johnson, 13 out of 75. Going to DMAD. And that will do it for the eBay break. Up next, we'll go to the 3-box football break. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll paste those results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. We'll start with the 2014 Limited. All right, good luck, everybody. First for the Chargers, Ryan Matthews to 399. Chris Ivory to 399. Rookie auto, a nice looking 4-color patch for the Bucks, Charles Sims, 16 out of 199. Going to Injelly. Congratulations. On card rookie auto, oh no, excuse me, sticker auto for the Falcons, Yawan Smallwood, 10 out of 49. Falcons going to Henry. And a jumbo patch for the Eagles, Nick Foles. Super short print, 3 out of 10. Going to Jerry. Phillip Rivers. Jordan Cameron. Luke Kuechly, 62 out of 99. Going to Henry. Russell Wilson, 35 out of 50. Going to Craig. Rookie on card auto for the Browns, Vince Melee, 20 out of 50. Going to Injelly. Rookie auto, a nice looking 4-color patch for the Dolphins, J, 25 out of 75. Going to Henry. And a rookie jumbo patch for the Rams, Todd Gurley, 34 out of 75. Rams going to Craig. Brandon Marshall, Greg Little, Steven Jackson, Matt Forte, Marks of Fame, and a rookie jersey number 3-color patch for the Saints, Nick Toon. Saints going to Craig tonight, 14 out of 25. Mark Sanchez, Roy Halou Jr., Antonio Gates, Frank Alexander, a gold parallel to 399. For the Colts, a gold spectrum autograph for Reggie Wayne. Congratulations, Jacob S. Last one made, 75 out of 75. Mike Thomas, Vernon Davis, Reggie Wayne, Ryan Lindley to 50, and a Chris Rainey rookie auto for the Steelers. Steelers going to Jerry, numbered 74 out of 299. Tom Brady, Vincent Jackson, Michael Turner, Terrence Ganaway to 399, and a on-card rookie auto jumbo patch for the Rams, Brian Quick. Rams going to Craig. Super short print 3 out of 25. That'll do it for the 3-box break. Now we'll go to the 2-box break with the Inception and the Spectra. Here we go. 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Falcons, Roddy White. Niners, Michael Crabtree. Jags, Toby Gerhart, 103 out of 150. Going to Jacob. Redskins, Alfred Morris, 16 out of 25. Going to Craig. Rookie auto for the Raiders, Clive Walford. Raiders going to Roberto A. Rookie autograph jumbo 3-color patch for the Chiefs, Chris Conley, 32 out of 125. Going to Ashley W. And a rookie 3-color patch for the Rams, Todd Gurley, 92 out of 125. Going to Dean. First, Rookie of the Week winner for the Niners, Chris Borland. Lions, Matthew Stafford, 7 out of 75. Going to Njali. Browns, Taylor Gabriel. Going to Joshua W., 110 out of 149. Blue Prism for the Chiefs, D'Anthony Thomas, 30 out of 49. Going to Ashley W. Die cut Blue Prism for the Bucks, Vincent Jackson. Going to Craig, 20 out of 25. Red Prism for the Niners, Michael Crabtree. Going to Craig, super short print 4 out of 10. Yeah, another one for you, Craig. Cornerstones or red prism for the Cowboys. Jason Witten. First one made, 1 out of 10. Rookie building blocks patch for the Browns. Excuse me, Terrence West. Going to Joshua W. 10 out of 199. Cornerstones patch for the Giants. Eli Manning. Going to Njali. 79 out of 99. Cornerstones blue prism patch for the Chargers. Philip Rivers. 14 out of 49. Going to Van. Rookie jersey patch for the Texans, Tom Savage. Going to Henry. 26 out of 199. Dual rookie patch. It'll go to the Panthers. We have Kelvin Benjamin, Devontae Freeman. So Joshua W. You'll be getting this one. 142 out of 199. Another dual rookie patch. This one will go to the Browns. Johnny Manziel, Teddy Bridgewater. Browns going to Joshua W. 77 out of 99. Rookie auto for the Redskins, Lance Seastrunk, or Lachey Seastrunk, excuse me, 59 out of 149. Going to Craig. Rookie auto for the Jets, Trevor Riley. Another one for you, Craig, 67 out of 149. Gold Prism Dual Rookie Auto. It'll go to the top team, the Chargers, Jason Barrett and Pierre Desir. Chargers going to Van, numbered 9 out of 25. And on-card rookie auto patch for the Jags, Allen Robinson. Going to Jacob, numbered 26 out of 149. Now we'll finish up with the 2-box break with the Inception and Absolute Football. And we'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, good luck everybody. First for the Cardinals, Michael Floyd. Jags, Allen Robinson, 72 out of 99. Going to Gordon. Niners, Patrick Willis, 148 out of 150. Going to Donald. Patriots, Danny Amendola, 104 out of 125. Going to Ashley W. Rookie on card, silver autograph for the Ravens, Javorius Allen, 2 out of 50. Going to Gary. Rookie auto jumbo 4-color patch for the Jags, Rashad Green. Jags going to Gordon. And a rookie patch for the Dolphins, Devontae Parker. 73 out of 140. Going to Thomas G. Sidney Rice, Demarius Thomas, Kevin Cobb, Josh Bush. And the first hit going to be a redemption. A rookie Premier Materials NFL signatures. Going to Titans receiver Kendall Wright. One will go to Henry. Matt Castle, Beanie Wells, Jay Cutler, BJ Coleman. And a rookie triple patch for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson. Seahawks going to Donald, numbered 73 out of 99. Dez Bryant, Santonio Holmes, Chris Johnson, Frank Alexander, and a redemption Michael Smith, Spectrum Gold autograph. Not sure who Michael plays for. We'll make sure to include that in the scans. Get that to the right person. Steve Smith, Adrian Peterson, Big Ben, Darren McFadden, and a rookie autograph for the Dolphins, BJ Cunningham. 295 out of 299. Going to Thomas G. And that will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with a 10-box football mixer and an 8-box case break of the Inception football. Should be a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.